I still remember the info. It's 80 meter radius, 1,000 kilogram car, and 15 meters per second. And what's the first thing they wanted?
Draw an arrow to show the resultant force on the car.
Good, okay. So they want you to draw a picture and put the forces in.
The picture is already drawn.
With the forces? No, okay. Let me recover my drawing. Oh, good grief. There we go. Alright, so the forces, the way I see it is there'll be a weight, obviously, of 1000 G, and then you have a reaction force here. Okay? Now that weight, you can resolve it into two components. It depends on the angle, of course. But they just want the resultant force? Oh, okay, well, but I mean it's driving over the hill, so did it say what's the resultant force in this picture?
On the car.
Yeah, and the car's in motion. I think they just put it on the top to make your picture easier, that's all. So the advantage of having it on the top is that the diagram's just a little bit easier to draw. So if I put the car here on the top, then you have the weight and then the reaction. But they didn't want that, they said the resultant. So I'll draw it here, the resultant. So if you add these two forces, okay, which is bigger, the or the 1000 G? Or the equal? What's the story? Is which? Bigger or smaller? Bigger, yeah. Why? What do you think the reason is? Yeah, so it can turn in a circle. The total force must be down. So this is the resultant. Like 1 mark for this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Alright, what's B?
What is the magnitude of the resultant force?
Alright, so the resultant force, we'll call it F, will equal 1000 G minus 4. But the problem is we don't know the 1000 G, well, I mean we don't know the or. But because the resultant is a circular force, you can use the formula mv squared over or, because we know mv and or. So it would be 1000 times 15 squared over 80. So that is 225000, 225000 over 80. Cancel the 0. 8 goes into 225 a certain number of times. Let's see. Twice would be 16, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, no, I'm not going to do it. What is 22500 over 8? No, don't. No, let me do it. This is 11250 over 4. Yeah, okay, no, sorry. What is it?
281215.
28.
1215.
So 2810.
No.
1, 2.
12.
Yeah, but if I do 3 significant figures, what would you be? The first 3 digits.
2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1.
No, 3 significant figures. 281.
Yeah, 281.
Point.
1, 2.
Yeah. So if it would be this, what? It's 3 significant figures.
2812. 2810.
2810. Oh, sorry, not Newton. What's the unit? Newton. Sorry. Yeah, you said you got 2812, is it? Yeah, so I'm just rounding to 3 significant figures. That's all. Because that's the form they want the answer in, always. How many marks for that one, Siva?
3.
That's okay.
In the marking scheme, it had 2812.5.
Disgraceful. They gave me such a hard time last year about this. Kept saying, no, 3 significant figures, no. No, not 4. I'm like, okay. People are difficult to work with. Right, what's C?
Show that the total reaction force from the road on the car is approximately 7,000.
Yeah, so you can use this formula now. So you have 2810 equals 1000 G. So what's that? 9810? I get that right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Minus or. So or is 9810 minus 2810. Oh, nice. 7,000. Yeah?
Yes.
And what did they say to show, Siva? Sorry. They said show that the reaction force is approximately
7,000.
Yeah, it's exactly that.
nice. D.
No D.
No D. Okay. That's the end of the question. Alright. How was that one? You should have tried that at home if you were good students. So do you get the same answers or yeah? We'll do the next one now. Save recording.